Several years ago, we had a little, I don't know, an over exuberant bunch of water come down Beall Creek, and it kind of started meandering the stream channel as it was. Well, it changed the course of the stream flow right into a couple spots alongside our county road, Beall Road.
It really created a choke point in the road, and getting out and looking at it further, actually the road substructure as well as the road surfacing was being undermined by the creek, even past what you would consider the fog line. So any vehicle out there on that edge was taking the risk of tumbling down into the creek.
The Idaho Department of Water Resources Board grant opportunity became available, and we decided to move forward with this project. Idaho Department of Resources Water Board approved it. So that's how really the funding mechanism got put in place so that we could put this project on the ground.
We started in November of 2021. The neighborhood was a little upset because, there's a lot of traffic on that road, about 500 plus cars.
I guess the best way to describe it in my mind would be a farm-to-market road. It's used by all the local farmers to deliver commodities to the port system in Lewiston during harvest time. Also as a transportation route of moving their equipment up and down the road. Twofold on this project. Number one, it was an erosion problem, and number two, a huge public safety issue. Eventually, it was all going to end up in the creek. Something had to be done.
The final result was we decided to go with the Hill Fiker. They're a welded wire mesh, and they interlock. So you put them in layers, and each layer you put in, you backfill it and compact it, and then you put the next one on, and they have hooks on them, and they actually lock into the next one. So you're bringing up a fully supporting wall. They actually make such a sturdy wall that in big cities, they'll use them to build large buildings on. It transfers the weight from inside the road to give stability to the outside.
Project is really good, looks sharp, people are happy, and it is a well-utilized grant. But I want to bring it all the way back to IDWR. The Idaho Department of Water Resources has been a really good outfit to work with.
It's a team effort, cooperative effort with the Conservation District and Nez Perce County Road and Bridge. I think it's good for everybody and good for the community.
It's been a new opportunity for districts to be able to put conservation on the ground that we hadn't had available in the past. It's a great program, and want to give a shout out to them again. Thanks a lot for your support.
Accomplishing things that solves public safety and also makes the water cleaner and protects the fish and wildlife in the area. I think that's a win-win for everybody, and that's why this project was so special.